Before the video starts, I just want to say, do not recreate anything you see in this video. We recorded this about a couple months ago, and it's such a stupid video, and I did so many stupid things that you just never do, especially with fire. This is genuinely one of the stupidest videos I have ever done. I could have easily lit myself on fire, I could have lit a lot of things around me on fire. So do not recreate this. I am also a trained professional in a private setting where there's no one else around, so YouTube, please don't demonetize me. And you guys will know exactly what I'm talking about only if you watch to the end of the video. This video was crazy. Let's get into it. Also, our next video is right here. Let's get it. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're installing a flame kit onto the Walmart mini tractor.
Fucking hell.
So when you usually want to get a flame coming out of your exhaust, what you usually do is you tune your engine or you tune your car to put more fuel into the exhaust, so when it comes out the exhaust, it ignites. That's when you see flames come out of the exhaust. But there is a slightly better way of doing it, and let me show you exactly what it is. The way you do it is with this kit. Let's see what's inside. Okay, baby. So what this is basically a spark plug kit. And here is everything the kit comes with. So I'm guessing this is some sort of control unit. Here's the spark plug, which I feel like is longer than usual, right? It's gotta be longer than usual. Pretty sure it is. And then it seems to come with a switch, a spark plug head, wire connectors, and more wires. So basically, all you have to do for this kit is basically screw in that spark plug somewhere in your exhaust, preferably near the top, connect it to your battery, and then connect it to the switch. And then whenever we click that button, that spark plug is gonna start zapping, and then our tractor should shoot very big flames. And I know specifically with this tractor, it's gonna shoot giant flames because this tractor, for some reason, runs super rich. Let me see if I can get it on camera. I'm gonna start it up and give it some revs. I wanna see if you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna see if I can get it on camera. I don't know if I will be able to. Well, it doesn't want to get picked up on camera. Basically, it literally shoots gas out of the exhaust. So I'm super hyped. Let's get installing this onto it. And then later, we're gonna take it to Brickell and then go troll some streamers as well on the mini tractors. It's gonna be super sick. I think what we gotta start off first with is basically gonna be screwing in this spark plug into the exhaust. Let's see how we're gonna do it. I'm not really sure. Okay, so the really good thing about this tractor is the battery is literally right here. So we're gonna have zero problems getting power to it. But I think it's gotta go like here. But I'm looking, if I screw it in, it's literally gonna go through the entire exhaust. You guys can see that. So I think we're gonna have to do something where we only screw it in like that halfway. I think being in the middle will be best, but I think we're gonna have to drill a hole and then tap a hole so we can screw this in. This thing's gonna shoot ginormous flames. Here we have is my drill tapping thing. So basically, now what this kit is basically you drill a hole through whatever if you're trying to do this, and then you put this, and it basically makes a new thread for yourself. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna drill out, then screw this in, make a thread, so then we can screw the spark plug in nice and fit. I just gotta make sure we're doing the right size, but yeah, let's get into it. Let's drill the hole. I think here will be good. Maybe down here. Honestly, I think down here. This is gonna be so sick. We're gonna go into the middle of the city, and then I wanna press this button, and I want fucking flames coming out of this thing. So yeah, let's get this in here. First off, we gotta drill a hole somewhere. Then we're gonna start with tapping our spark plug in. Now let's drill a hole. Oh, fuck. There's an exhaust inside an exhaust. What the fuck?
And then a small one. And then you can... Yo, you need to make a small one first. Facts.
Haters.
2 hours later.
That's our hole screwed. All right, now we're gonna tap our thread with this. Okay, so we're having a little problem because this is hitting this. I think we can figure something out. I'm not supposed to do it like this, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Now let's thread our hole. Honestly, might just weld it on. All right, she's all good. She's not the prettiest weld, but it should hold her in place. She's also sort of screwed in. Now let's work on the wiring. All right, so basically what is going on is, I don't know what this is, but some sort of box. So this goes to ground, this goes to the switch we have, And then from the switch, we also have another wire that's gonna be going to the battery. Then when we click it, it's gonna throw spark into here and hopefully flames will come out. I have a slight suspicion that I might have done it a little bit low, but I think not. Hopefully it'll be fine. I think flames are flames. It should look pretty cool. We're gonna wire everything up, connect it to the battery. Let's see how big of flames this thing's gonna shoot. Hopefully very big. Okay, so I'm thinking of putting the switch somewhere here. Put the button here so then when I'm hitting throttle, click this thing in, hopefully you'll start flamethrowing. All right, so I'm gonna drill in the fuse box, I think, right here. Screw the 2 holes in, hold it here, and then we'll be able to hit it to the spark plug. The other. Shouldn't go anywhere. We can have the spark cap go directly here. Bomb. Now we just gotta put these wires to the right position. All right, so with the switch, I low-key think I'm just gonna put it like here because I don't really understand how I'm supposed to drill this through and then bolt it on if I literally can't take this thing apart. So I'm literally just gonna bomb, put it here, maybe with some glue, and then we'll have direct access to our plug. All right, so now I'm just gonna super glue it right here because I don't really understand how I'm supposed to bolt it on. So let's super glue it here. Let's get some glue on it, baby. Don't get this on your fingers. Look at that. So now I can drive in, exhaust flames activated. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is cut this and then screw on the spark plug head and then connect it in right here. Let's give her a cut. I think all we need is that. Always cut longer than you need, never cut shorter. Boom. Spark plug head. Screws on like this. And then this just basically goes on here, like this. Boom. Oh yeah, baby. Now let's wire these to the switch. This wire is going to ground. This one's going to the switch. Then we're gonna have one going from the switch to the battery. All right, now let's put this connector on here. Slide her in. Let's crimps it on. Oh, never mind. All right, so now this goes on the switch here. Flip her on. Like that. So now we got red going here. Then we need a wire coming out of here to the battery. All right, so now we got this wire, which is gonna be going to the battery. Put this battery connector on here. Then we should be able to test this thing out. I'm super hyped. All right, that looks good. Let's crump it together. I don't know what this tool's called, but I call it a crumper. Crump it. Ugh. All right, she's crumped. So now let's connect it to the battery. Let's just take this guy off. Okay, so we realized something. Basically, this tractor has a catalytic converter on it. So when we hit the spark plug, it's not gonna shoot flames because the catalytic converter is gonna filter a lot of it out. We're gonna try to hammer it out because then all the exhaust gases will be going straight up and we shouldn't have any filtration going because we need those gases for it to catch on fire. So give it some hard hits. There we are. Oh. Got stuck. Oh shit. Mateus. Ooh. Look at that. Oh yeah. We got a hole in it. Let's do one more. Here, come look, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna see if it's gonna be able to see inside. You guys can see inside. All right, I can't show it. All right, so we hammered the absolute hell out of this thing. Now we're gonna put it back on. We got all the wiring set up. Let's see if she's gonna shoot some flames. Springs on. Now we got the spark plug. It is in the middle. Bolt her on here, and then let's take her for a rip. This thing better shoot some flames. You can do this with cars as well. It works better with cars, it's more exhaust, obviously. If you do a car without cats, I should do my M4. Oh, I do have cats though. I have the cat in it. I think it still would shoot flames. Let me show you everything we've done to the wiring. So it took a little bit figuring out because this is made for a car. So we got the ground on this one going to the ground on the frame, and then we have this black switch going to the coil, and then the red switch going to the positive in the battery. So now when we hit it, it makes spark. Let's start it up and let's see if she'll give some power. A lot louder. See? It's a lot louder. Bro, with the cat delete, it's a lot. Still not shooting flames. Let's rev it. I'm gonna hold the spark and then give it some revs. See any flames? I'm gonna whip it around a little bit, try to heat it up, and then if we're still not getting flames, I'm gonna adjust the carb to make it extra rich so we can get some more fuel in the exhaust. If it's not gonna get flames, that means the cat still messing up our exhaust fumes too much where it's not enough fuel in the exhaust gases to light it up, so that means we'll have to do straight pipe on that exhaust. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit, come back, let's see if she'll shoot some flames. We'll go whip it. What? The spark's on, in the exhaust, should shoot flames. All right, so a last ditch resort, we're gonna pull some fuel out of a gas tank and inject it into the exhaust because I think the engine is just not big enough, so it's not producing enough fumes to light on fire, which is not a problem because we're engine swapping it. But I wanted to shoot flames now, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some fuel and we're gonna squirt it into the exhaust, and hopefully then it'll be a flamethrower. Let's try it. All right. Let's take some fuel out of here. How much fuel did?
That's more than enough.
Don't need any more. Let's go.
Oh, yo, it's smoking.
Oh,
hold on, yo,
you have to take this outside.
Oh yeah. Alright, ready? 3. Smoking. To the bottom. Why is it lighting on fire? More fuel. I'm filling this whole fucking syringe up, bro. Alright, if this tractor doesn't shoot some flames, you're gonna piss off. It's going in. Oh!
Oh.
Look, I'm hitting the spark plug right now. It should catch on fire, but it's not. I don't understand how it's not catching on fire. Hey guys, if you're watching this video, comment down below what we're doing wrong. All right, last little bit of fuel going in.
Bro, it ain't gonna work.
Your chat says put that up your butt.
Bro, like that's fumes, all right?
What is wrong
Someone
with you?
use a lighter, bro. Mateus, get the torch. Get the torch, bro. Bro, this is pissing me off, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting fucking flames out of this shit. Pouring gas in the goddamn exhaust and it's still not catching on fire. All right, so we got a lighter now. We'll be very careful because I don't want to catch on fire. Should I get more gas?
No, that's chill.
Okay, look. All right. Look, okay, it's on fire. This is how it's supposed to be. The spark kills it.
Dude, do it while it's already started. Like start it, add gas to it,
And then I think it's a trap. All right, listen. I'm gonna put gas in it, light it on fire, then rev it. I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. It ain't got no gas.
All right.
Alright, right now we're dropping 1/3 of jet fuel in there.
Whoa!
Hold on.
It needs more gas.
You're right. You're right. Hopefully not everything doesn't catch on fire. I feel like this is how things do blow up.
Yeah, try not to.
That shit worked.
Yo. Yo.
Yo. Yo. Hold on. In classic Dirty Garage fashion, I forgot to record the outro. But it's 4 months later and we decided to edit this video. As you guys can see, it was absolutely crazy. I did a lot of very stupid and dangerous things. Guys, please do not do what I did. The only reason I got to that point of pouring gas into the exhaust was basically because we tried for hours to make this thing shoot flames how it's supposed to with the spark thing. The spark was sparking, but it was just not igniting. I tried making the carb richer. I tried everything. I spent an hour poking holes in the catalytic converter. It didn't work, so I was like, you know what? Let's pour gas in it. And if you guys enjoyed that extremely stupid video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot. I will be installing a proper flame kit onto one of our vehicles to show you guys that it actually does work, because it does work. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. We got 2 videos a week coming now for you guys. That's it for today. Peace out.